Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Wes.
And we're with Habitat for Humanity of the Mississippi Gulf Coast. Most folks, when they think of Habitat, they think of our home building and our repair programs and our financial education. But one of the things that we've most recently come out with is our Habitat Restore.
When most people think of secondhand stores, they think of clothes and decor, but we're kind of a secondhand store for home improvement. When you visit a Habitat Restore, you can expect to see everything from furniture and appliances to cabinets, lighting and plumbing fixtures, flooring, building supplies, tools, hardware, you name it, we probably got it. Much of it is donated from the community right here in South Mississippi, so we provide a free donation pickup service to make it convenient. When you donate, your donations become affordable home improvement items for your community, and the proceeds go to support Habitat for Humanity's projects.
By supporting our work at Restore, you're supporting your neighbors, our community here across the Gulf Coast.
So come see us at the Gulfport Restore on Highway 49 just north of Lowe's.
And our Ocean Springs Restore across the street from Ocean Springs Hospital.
And remember, be local.